cyber solution.
In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to change a computer system password without asking for the present or initial password. From the System Start menu, open the command prompt as administrator. The next step is enter NetUser as a command to view the available user accounts on the computer system. So here are the available user accounts in this computer. The first account we're having here is the b.blessing, which is the administrator's account. Then we have another account which is the guest account named One Family. So here we are going to work on this b.blessing user account. That is where we are going to finish our tutorial on today. Let's see the next step. So after knowing the user account whose password is to be changed, we need to type in the following. What we are going to type in now is NetUser. Then in quotes, we are going to specify the username, the account user that we are changing the password then with a space and a asterisk to change the user password. So let's try to do that. So here we can see it prompts out a message that type a password for the user. So here we are going to type in our password for the user, the new password we want to be using for the user account. But mind you, whenever you are working on this particular command, in the aspect of you typing in the password, it will be invisible. So you need to type correctly and make sure the corresponding text or characters are correct. Now I am going to change the password now for you to see. So I just type in something, it then tells me to retype for confirmation. So in this case, after confirming my password, the command completed successfully. It's going to be the next message that will prompt out from the computer's system. So here we've been able to bypass or to change the command, the password from the command prompt. Now my password has been changed. Yes, sometimes we have an error message like system error 5 occurred or access denied, not because we've typed in the wrong command or syntax, but what actually happened is that we have failed to run our command prompt as administrator. At the title bar, you can see that here nothing like administrative task. So looking at the other one, we can see that we've run our command prompt as administrator, so we are able to a complete task done. So you need to be very careful about that. Thanks.
Please stay tuned by subscribing to this channel. DB White, your cyber solution.